Naturally, I was so laser focused on what I was doing that I didn't even realize I ran out of time. So I had to come back to here. Um, we were talking about at the end of the first video, we had found beta and we found gamma. Now I got to find side C, but I don't want to use 74 degrees because it's only an approximation. So I took this 36 degrees, I took that answer, I didn't use 36, and use that to find gamma is 74. So now on my calculator, I know gamma is 74, and I am now going to find, let me do this again, C by taking 8 times the sine of 74, and then dividing it by sine 70. But I'm not going to type in 74. I'm going to use the answer so that I do not get an approximation. So I forgot what it was already, 8 sine 74? Yes, over sine 70. So 8 sine, and again, I could store this somewhere or I could just use answer. So 8 sine answer, not 74, divided by the sine of 70 degrees. And I can just put 70 because I had changed to degree mode earlier, and I get about 8.2. So that third side, side C, should now be 8.2. Let's just make sure our answers make sense in terms of size. So 8.2 is the biggest of the three sides, and so angle gamma better be the biggest, and it is. 74 is bigger. 5 is the smallest side. It's across from the smallest angle. One more problem. Finding the height of the bridge over the Royal Gorge. Now, the highest bridge, let me see if I can move my face. There, moved. Oh, jump back up. Stay there. Okay. The highest bridge in the world, and by the way, this is number 42 in your book I'm stealing this from. The highest bridge in the world is the bridge over the Royal Gorge of the Arkansas River in Colorado. Sightings to the same point at water level directly under the bridge are taken from each side of the 880-foot long bridges indicated in the figure. How high is this bridge? Okay, so what we're going to do is we've got a nice diagram here. Now, for some reason, my angles got moved out of here. Let me see if I can move those back in here. I can. Beautiful. So I've got a 69.2 degree angle up in the upper left hand corner there, 65.5 degree angle up in the upper right. I need to find H. Now, where people get in trouble with these is they think, well, I can just find H all in one step. Well, I can't, okay, necessarily. Sometimes you might be able to. I know the bridge is 880 feet long. I want to know how high it is, okay? Well, this height or altitude, we know always must make a right angle with the base. So I have two right triangles here, but I also have this big, huge triangle here. And I know three things on the triangle. I knew two angles and a side, angle, angle, side. Well, if I know an angle, angle, and side, I should be able to find everything on this triangle. So there's no way to find H right away. I could try to use the sine of 65.5 is opposite over hypotenuse, but I don't know the hypotenuse. So what if we found that first? Sounds good, but I can't because I don't have a pair yet to use law of sines. However, I know two angles, 69.2 and 65.5. So I'm going to find this angle right here. And let's just call it theta, just to call it something. So what I know is that theta is going to equal 180 minus the sum of these two other angles. Now when I add those together, it looks like I get 134.6. So if I subtract that from 180, I think I get 45.4 degrees. Okay, so these add up to 134.6. Subtracting, I get 45.4. So that's this angle. Well, now I have a pair. So I can use it to find either one of these sides across from these angles. Doesn't matter which one. So let's find this one over here. Let's call this side A for fun. So I'm going to go sine of 45.4 over 880 feet equals the sine of 69.2 degrees over that side A I have. So cross multiplying, 880 sine 69.2 will equal A times the sine of 45.4, but then I'll have to divide by the sine of 45.4 degrees. And that'll tell me what A is. So let's figure out what that is. 880 sine 69.2. So 880 sine 69.2 degrees. I'm in degree mode. Divided by sine of 45.4. 1155.4. So 1155.4. So let me write that down. So A is 1155.4. And of course that is going to be feet. Now, that's not what they wanted though. They wanted to know how high the bridge would be, right? So now that I found that, now that I found out this, let me erase the A and put 1155.4 in its place. Now remember, it's not exactly 1155.4. It's approximately 1155.4. But now if I just look at this right triangle I have here, right triangle, I can use SOHCAHTOA, right? So I can say, from this angle, I know that I want to find the opposite side and I know the hypotenuse. So I can simply go sine of 65.5 degrees equals opposite H over hypotenuse 1155.4. Get H by itself, simply multiply both sides by 1155.4, and we should have the height of our bridge. Now, I'm not going to use 1155.4, I'm going to use this answer. So I'm going to take that answer times sine of 65.5. So let's do that. Let's take the answer times the sine of 65.5. And it should be a little bit smaller than 1155.4. And it is 1051.3. So my answer, my height, is 1051.3 feet. If it doesn't say feet, you're not answering the question. You're just giving me a number. You're not telling me what the height is. So 1051.3. And that's how tall the bridge is over the Royal Gorge. All done. So hopefully everything made sense, and good luck.